Then I saw her face, and I'm a believer, and not a trace.
This video is long overdue. This is the Patton fan model U2-887 that I showed you a couple of months back. As you saw in that video, it was actually pretty dirty, but this is it after I cleaned it up and lubricate the motor a bit. It probably could use a bit more, but hey, considering how long it's been sitting in my grandmother's basement, it's doing pretty well. So, a bit of history about this fan. This was bought new back in 2000 at BJ's by my grandmother. Originally, she actually used it in her basement since she used to do ceramics down there. However, eventually she did bring it up to her bedroom and actually tied dryer sheets on the grill to make her room smell more fresh. I don't know how well that worked, but whatever. I cut those off eventually since they were becoming so dusty after she just let it sit in the bottom of the stairs. Yeah, this thing hasn't been run in years. And yeah, it's made in China, but like I said, made in China products didn't seem too bad during the 90s and early 2000s. I mean, the early 2000s, things started to get more cheaper, but this is still a pretty good fan. Still has nice metal construction. Your C-frame motor. This is your back. So it's got some nice metal blue blades. And here's the information. If I can get it to focus. The Holmes Group. Yeah, Patton was eventually bought by Holmes, but like I said, this was still around the time when fans had some sort of quality. Now for the main show. Here's low. Low's a great amount of air for its size. And let's turn it on high. And let's turn it off. Yeah, I think this definitely needs to be run more for the oil to actually be effective. But like I said, considering how long it's been sitting, it's doing pretty well. And being that this is a metal fan, it actually has a nice startup. And high. And that is the 2000s Patton U2-887. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.